This is how I heat water for the hot water for the truck. That's a copper tube coil with a fire. Run some 200-degree hoses up. So yeah, it runs up the coil, heats up the coil. 200-degree hoses. Plenty of wood. And we go up to this. This is my truck. Got 3 hoses on here. One of them's attached to a hose end, and that's going to be our shower. These other 2 are return and supply. Got hot water going in and cool water coming out. What the noise that you hear is my 12-volt pump that I have mounted in a grenade box on the other side of the truck. I'll give you a sneak peek. Here's my 55-gallon water drum. There's my electrical. It's all in disarray, but you can see the hoses. And then inside this box, this grenade box, is my 12-volt pump. And then over there on the other side is the water heater. It's not heated by electricity or gas, it's heated by wood. Pretty cool stuff. And all of it is enabled by 300 watts of the sun. Of course, they're in the shade now, but here shortly the sun's going to come up and give me some power.